Hi, Scott Doan at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at the all-new Harris Crowne. So the Harris Crowne is the top trim offering from Harris. This store has historically sold a bunch of Crownes, and we're all excited to have a new one because the model really hadn't changed all that much over the years. So new is full fiberglass exterior, new tower, new extending shade for the front, oversized bimini in the back, just a completely redesigned boat from the logs up. So, lily pad ladder. It's going to reach further down into the water. Really nice wide rungs, super easy to get in and out. It's the best boat ladder on the market by a mile. This one has a white 400 V10 on it, and this one also was ordered with the joystick docking option. So, when you engage that, this pod is going to drop down in the back. There's another one that's going to pop down in the front, and that's what's going to allow you to take a joystick and just spin the boat on a dime, which is great. More about that when we get inside the boat. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, so LED lights extend to the outside as well as docking lights. These posts are removable, so you can put them up whenever you get to where you're going. If it's a sandbar or rafted up with other people. If you want to get a lot of shade, just go ahead and put this up. Fiberglass door opens up. They have done a good job. They built storage into both of the front corner pieces. So if you want to keep your anchor stuffed in there, some of the bigger stuff, you certainly can. LED lighting throughout, as well as pads for wireless pads for cell phones. So you just put your cell phone on here, put the cord up over top of it, it'll keep your cell phone charged. Storage underneath all of your seats. Also in-floor ski locker. Moving over here to the helm. Twin 12-inch Simrads, so really large screens for a pontoon boat. This is going to give you all of your controls, all of your digital switching. You do have your controls for your JL audio down here. This boat does have the biggest sound package available from the factory, so 2 subwoofers, extra amplifiers, JL speakers all the way around, as well as them being lighted. Full lighting package, so lighting underneath the seat bases, in the cup holders, in the seat bases, up underneath the seats, up in your fiberglass hardtop also. So done really well and looks fantastic. Over here, this is your control for your joystick, for your docking system. So press the button, that's what's going to drop your pods down. Then you can use this to maneuver the boat around. So if you got tight confines or if you're always in a lot of wind, this is absolutely awesome. Binnacle control down here, wireless cell phone charger down here by your knee. Flip up companion seat over here. This seat can also flip down flat if you want to use this as one big L bench. Built over here, again, full stainless steel, full fiberglass door over here. This will open up, pull out table under here. Twin trash cans under here. The new Crowne has twin loungers built back here into the back. Independent controls for them so that you can recline them back, recline them forward, and then you also have controls here to raise and lower the supports for underneath your knees. Hands down, the most comfortable lounger on the back of any pontoon boat I've ever seen, regardless of brand. It's really nice. Extended deck back here in the back. New ski tow bar for this year. Much higher weight rated than in years past. So if you want to pull the big tubes, you can certainly do it. But of course, you have a water sports tower also. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone. We'd love to talk to you.